Hello, everyone. Welcome to all of you in the session. I'm Arzu, and I have a very amazing session today. It's very easy, and basically, it's for the younger students or to those are not starting the coding journey yet, and they are just learning the basics. Even you can do that with if you want to make something innovative. Hi, kids. I can see everyone in the chat box. Good evening, everyone, all of you. Komal. Students, you can comment your names in the chat box so that I can see. Pratik. Geetesh. Hi, how are you? Okay, so in today's live session, we are going to make animation, like animate your name. Basically, how you can do the animation with the alphabets or with the name. When you go on MIT Scratch, then what do you find? So today I decided to make this project on scratch.mit.edu because most of the students ask me the questions, ma'am, why you're not using Scratch if it is exactly same like PictoBlocks. So whatever the projects we made on PictoBlocks, you can make on Scratch as well. But today I decide to make it on like on Scratch because most of you confused between both. That's why. So I'm just sending you the link in the chat box. Let me paste a link here. Yeah, I give the link. Hi, Pranjal, Anvita, Aruhi, Ayush, Tanishka. Very good to see you all here. And let's start our coding journey. So what thing we need to do is I'm just going to share my screen first with all of you. I think you all know about the environment, the stretch environment. So these are the blocks. This is the script area. This is the stage area. Here I can see the sprite. From here I can take sprite. From here I can take backdrop. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, my name is Arzu, so I just want to take the alphabets of my name, and even you can comment your names so that you can take your alphabets. And if your name is so big, you can make it in short, or your nicknames you can use. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible to all of you. If it is, please comment yes. Okay. So here what we are going to do, I'm just going to delete this get and I will go to choose sprite section. And in this, when you come to letters, then you will find A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and these are different letters I have. So what I'm going to do, I will take this A, and can you tell me which one the next letter I should take? Quickly, I want which letter I can take. You all can reply. Okay, so I'm selecting the another letter, and this letter this time I'm taking double A because in my name it's coming double A, and I want different fonts. So D, Aditya is saying D. Aditya, why you're saying D? Your name starts from A. Why is that so? Anvita say N, P, N. So N has more preference. So I'm just taking N. Okay. So I'm just coming here, go to the letter N, 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 N. Which N I'm taking? I'll take this N. Okay. Okay, fine. And next letter, I'll see which one is most preferred by the comments. Okay, I took already N, oh my God, Anvita say N, and Anvita, I took N, okay. T, okay, let's take T. So, though it's not my name, huh, but It is something that you all demanding for. So I'm just picking T, ding, and it become double A-N-T. I don't know what's that, but this is something. Okay, let's start with the animation. First thing is you will take the events, and what I want is when this sprite click means when I click on the sprite, then something is going to happen. I will go to looks and I have a lot of features like I can see when I click on it or when this sprite is clicked, then the color effect is changing by 25. This is one of the thing I have. So when I click on T, T is selected. So I'm just clicking on T. As you can see, whenever I click on the T, the color is getting changed on T. Okay. Next thing, I will come on N. And within what I can do is I'll go to event and I will take when this sprite clicked, go to looks. Actually, there's no, not only one character that is color. When you click on this color drop down, you will find a lot of character like Fishy, Real, Pixelate. So let me check with Pixelate what happens. Now, if I click on N, see this N is converted into the pixelate. Okay, more, and it's just vanish. Okay, so you need to set your characters come back to its position, and then it's just making a little animation. I'll show you how. First thing is pixelate palette effect. I'm just setting it to 0. Okay, initially I want it to 0. Okay, but it's not coming back. What happened to this? So let me check. Okay, I started from the beginning. So initially, when I click on this N, the pixelate effect will be 0. Okay. Now I'll go to control and I will take when repeat, like this thing is going to repeat number of times. So 10 times, 10 times, 10 times, 10 times. Okay, let's check for 10. So we'll go to looks. You can tell me how many times I can take this loop. Okay, yes, of course, Anvita, I'll zoom it little bit. I think it is visible. This is fine for all of you. All of you can please tell me that how many number of times I'm going to repeat this effect. Beta, if you cannot see clearly, it means there is some internet issue from your end. I just want to ask to all of you who can see clearly this thing, my screen. Okay, now what I will do is that uh, we are just going to looks and I will take the same thing, that is change color, and this time I will take the pixelate. So change pixelate effect by 25. Now after that I will wait for some time. Suppose I will be waiting for 1 second. Let's see what will happen, and then it will change back to minus 25. Okay, that's what I want. So I just want that it's going to change pixelate to minus 25. Okay, now if I click on this N, it's working, but the thing is that it's not very much, clear to me. So what I want is कि ये थोड़ा अपना size भी change करे. It has to change its size. So I'm just taking change size by 10 and then pixelate effect by this, and it will be 0.3 seconds so that ये थोड़ा रहना चाहिए ऐसे. So if I just click on it, every time the pixelate effect is there and the size changed, right? At the end, it will come back to its position like its pixelate, that is 0. And I also want key at the end, it will be back to its normal size. So I will set the size to 100%. Okay. See, now if I do that, woo, right? So initially it like at the end also I want it to be 100%. So I just put change size by, oh, not change size, set size by 100%. Means at the end it should be at 100%. See, woo. So it will back to its size, right? Whatever the size was, it will be back to its original size. I think this thing is clear to all of you, right? I think now in big font it is clear, right? Oh my God, Pranjali saying 25. I did 10. Aditya said that 4. Okay, Aditya, we can make it 4 because 25 बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो इसको 4 भी कर सकते हैं. I can do it for 4 times. Now if I run, that's cool. Now I can put more effects to it. What I'm going to do, I'll just do this and I copy it to the A. And इसको copy कर लिया, ठीक है? अभी थोड़ा सा zoom in करते हैं. Now what I'm going to do, instead of pixelate, I want some fishy effect and I'll change it to fishy and change size by 10, ठीक है? And then I'll make it to fishy again and set back to 100. The same thing I'm doing and let's see fishy में क्या होता है. See. And अगर मैं इसको 2 times कर देती हूँ, I'm just making it for 2 times. And when I click, see, this is good effect. I'm doing it for 2 times, so it looks good, right? है ना? वो थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. And I want कि उसके साथ साथ after this also it should move like this and then coming back या फिर थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो, है ना? थोड़ा effect लाने के लिए. So what we can do with this? Like when it is changing, तो ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर glide करे. So I'm just moving it up and we can use the glide for some seconds. So it can take 0.2 seconds only. And फिर उसके बाद it should glide back to this position. ठीक है? So I'm just taking this glide block after this fishy effect. No. Before this, and this will also be 0.2 seconds. And abhi, after taking the glide, I don't want this weight block. Okay, so I'm just deleting this weight block. And now if I do this, see. Ooh, it's a good animation, right? Now, I want that it should get back to its position when it stopped. I'm just removing this event first. Okay, I'm just moving it back to the position and I will take go to X and Y at the end. So I'm just putting go to X and Y here. Now, if I run, see, at the end, it will come back to the position. If I click on N, right? Now, T, I'm just clicking on it. It's changing the color every time when I click on it. Now, let's come on A. I hope these 3 alphabets you all have done. Anvita, let me tell you how to copy and paste. What you will do, suppose this is your code. Let me minimize it. This is your code. And I just want to copy this code to this sprite, okay, glow A, like my first alphabet. What I will do is, I'll just hold it and I will move it to this sprite. When this sprite block is shaking little bit, see it carefully. When I'm doing it, it shakes, right? So when it happens, it means this whole code get copied to the another sprite. I think this is clear. Aditya, you can try definitely your moves, whatever you want. Okay, you can make it move random position, move with the arrow keys, anything you can do, whatever you want. Now, what next is? Next is my last alphabet that we are going to make changes with. So instead of fishy effect, I have lots of more effects. Ghost effect. Okay, let's see what happens with the ghost So I'm just changing it to ghost. Everything I'm just changing it to ghost, and let's see. When I click, oh my God, what my ghost is doing. Okay. Uh, Let me tell you. Actually, the glide position is not similar one, right? So I just need to make them glide. So what I will do is I'm just taking the glide block here and just moving it up. I can see what is X. Can you tell me what is X? It's minus 152. So I'm just writing here minus 152. And now if I move it down, oh, sorry, here it was minus 152. The Y is 118. So you need to change X and Y for the position. I told you a lot of time regarding this position concept. You can check all previous videos of mine, okay, or coordinates based videos. Now here I'm just taking the changing size, and then it will glide again. So I'm just moving it down. Now again, taking the position that is minus 155. Can you tell me the Y position in the comment box right now? Quickly, let me see who is answering first. The Y position I want here. The X position is minus 155. So I'm writing minus 155 and I just want to see Y position. First, let me check the comment and then I will tell you the Y position. What do you see on the screen? Quickly tell me what is Y. I want to know. Okay, no one is telling me what is Y right now. So I will write it 53. 53. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Yes, very correct answer. Pranjali. Nahi. MLM. Who's MLM? MLM, write your name. I cannot see that. Sarika, Pranjali say yes. Okay, that's great. Good students. It means you're aware. So let me write 53. Okay, that's great. And I'm just taking the ghost and I'm just moving it here and let me check. Ooh. Hey, what happened? I think, oh, I did not change the X. So the X will be minus 155. Okay, let's see. Ooh. तो ghost effect थोड़ा सा ज्यादा करते हैं. Let me take 90 and let's see what happens. Ooh. Ghost effect means थोड़ा ना fade हो जाएगा. आपका जो alphabet है वो थोड़ा fade हो जाएगा और इसको हम back to minus 80 कर देते हैं. तो let's see. ये देखो, ये बिल्कुल ऐसे गोस्ट इफेक्ट जैसे गोस्ट के जैसे आएगा. ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग. राइट. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट इफेक्ट, दिस इज योर सेकंड इफेक्ट, दिस इज योर थर्ड इफेक्ट, दिस इज योर फोर्थ इफेक्ट. फोर्थ इफेक्ट में थोड़ा ना रोटेशन भी लगाते हैं. तो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वील गो टू कंट्रोल एंड इसको हम रिपीट ब्लॉक लेते हैं एंड विल गो टू लुक्स एंड व्हाट वी वांट इज कि ये थोड़ा रोटेट भी करे. Can anybody tell me what and which block we can take for the rotation? I want to answer quickly. Pradeep, Aditya, very good. You give me the answer for why. I don't understand who is MLM. MLM, please tell me your name. Acha, Prateek. Okay, Prateek. Great. Okay. I will zoom it. So yeah, I did. Can anybody tell me, I want to rotate my character, my alphabet. How can I do that? Which block I will take to rotate it? Quickly, I just want to know that. See, this session is very easy and you can do that. Okay. So what we will do is, I'm just taking turn 15 degree. Then it should wait for some second. Suppose it's waiting for 0.3 seconds, and then I'll go to motion and it will turn back. Okay, and at the end it should be minus 15. Let me check what happens. See, ting, 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 ting. So it took turn for 10 times clockwise. Oh my God, what I did. It should be clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so there will be no turn. This should be 0. या फिर हम इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. पॉइंट इन डायरेक्शन इसका चेंज कर देते हैं यहाँ से, तो वो एकदम अपना बैक टू नॉर्मल आ जाएगा. तो पॉइंट इन डायरेक्शन इफ यू गिव टू 90 ना, तो इट विल बैक टू नॉर्मल. तो इसको हटा दो. यू विल टेक पॉइंट इन डायरेक्शन 90 इनिशियली, फिर कलर चेंज होगा, तो कलर भी मुझे जो है बार बार चेंज करना है, ठीक है. एवरी टर्न विल चेंज द कलर. नाउ इफ आई क्लिक to do, yeah, it's taking the turn, but थोड़ा ज्यादा turn मुझे चाहिए, like 45, and it should be 45. Let's see. बट ये जो 0.3 का गैप है ना, वो बहुत ही कम लग रहा है, तो लेट मेक इट 0.5. दैट्स कूल. बट 10 भी बहुत ज्यादा लग रहा है. लेट्स मेक इट 4. एंड इसको थोड़ा 1 कर देते हैं, थोड़ा स्मूथ बनाने के लिए, राइट. सी, आई विल टेल यू व्हाई दिस हैपेंस, बिकॉज जो वेट ब्लॉक है उसको आपको इसके बाद भी लगाना है. ओके, नाउ सी, गॉट इट. अब ये स्मूथ लग रहा है कि यस इट्स डूइंग इट. अभी इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस, if I click on this, if I click on this, if I click on this, this is making the effects. अभी what we will do is कि ये जो है इसको वापस से अपनी पोजीशन पे जाना चाहिए, right? So I just move it back to the position. I will go to motion and I will go to X and Y here, and yeah. And what we need to do, I just need one beautiful backdrop for this. So which one I will take? Let me take this backdrop. Yeah, this looks so cool. And I want to add some sound, like this is pop. Okay, let's back to the code. Let me share my screen with check audio so that you all can hear. Okay, so what we are going to do now is that we will add the sound. Okay, so I'm just taking a sound and I will take play sound. You will simply take start sound. So I'm taking this sound, then start sound. For this, oh, this is meow sound. Okay, I will take that. Okay, these sounds are coming automatically, so I can take these all. And again, I will take this play sound like this way. And here also, I will take this play sound. Ding. Let's see. Ooh, that's cool. So everyone, you can make your animation like this. Let me full screen this. So whenever you're walking with the game, actually, this is a very simple, easy part, because we have most of the students, those are, beginners, and those are learning. So they always complain me about, ma'am, you have to make session for us as well. You're making sessions so difficult for us. So that's why it's very easy session. And you can add these all things to your game. Like suppose you're walking with a game or anything, you can definitely add that. And everyone, you replied so well. And for those are saying screen is not working, beta, maybe your internet is lagging somewhere. Okay, so you can like take the like when this live session is end, then you can just go through the video and you can try this out. Okay, and you can pause and you can just do the back thing. Sometime it happens that the bandwidth will is not coming so well, so that's why maybe it happens. So it's all right. Just try to understand, maybe it's not that bad. You can understand it. Okay, and let's meet you in the next session. Make sure if you are a school student, your teachers will ask you the question related to the course, just answer them. And if you are our YouTube live session you are watching, then you can send us the video on our Instagram channel. Not video, you can just make the project, just take the picture and send us. We will tag you and we'll have a good things for you. And those are very active during the sessions, live sessions. Then we are also having something for them. So for that, you also need to write down your name so that we need to identify, okay, these students are taking the live sessions on time. Okay, everyone. So we'll meet you in the next time. Till then, bye bye. Everyone can say bye. Yeah, definitely, Sarika. We can take forever block. And if you have any question, please ask. I'm here for 2 minutes, 2 more minutes. You're most welcome, Prashant. Okay, everyone. Then you have no questions, and we'll meet in the next session. Bye bye.